In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote a reply in Slack. We'll walk through two clear ways to quote in Slack. First, by linking directly to the original message, and then by using simple formatting to create a quoted block of text. We'll do this in the browser version of Slack for maximum compatibility. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click through to the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. Once you're in, open the channel or direct message where you want to post your quote. It can be any conversation where the original message appears or where you want to reference it. Find the specific message you want to quote. Hover over it and look for the three dots icon on the right side of the message. This is the More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Copy Link. Slack will copy a direct link to that exact message to your clipboard. Click into the message box at the bottom of your conversation and paste the link you just copied. When you're ready, click Send. That's the link method. It's great because it preserves context. Teammates can open the link to jump straight to the original message, and Slack will usually show a preview so everyone sees what you're referencing. This works well in busy channels where threading or message history matters. There's another way that's perfect for short excerpts or when you want a clean, readable quote right in your message. In the message box, press Shift and the greater than key on your keyboard. On many keyboards, that's Shift plus the period key. You'll see a single angle bracket appear at the start of the line. That's the quote marker in Slack. Now type the text you want to quote. You can retype a short, relevant portion of the original message or paste a small snippet you copied. Keep it concise so it's easy to scan. After the quoted line, add your own response or context so teammates understand why you're highlighting it. If you like, you can separate your commentary from the quote with a line break to keep things tidy. When you're happy with how it looks, press Enter to send. Use the link method when you need precise attribution and an easy jump back to the original message. Use the quote marker when you want quick, inline emphasis without leaving the current conversation. Either approach makes your replies clearer and helps your team stay on the same page. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and much easier for everyone to follow.